Welcome to this new construction zone here in Clermont, Florida. So we're right in the middle of everything. This is a two-story home. Let's go in and take a look at it. And this one comes with your 3-car garage, as you can see. Let's go right in and take a look. Welcome into your foyer. As you walk through the front door, you go to the left. Bathroom. Bedroom. Right out the front. So you have 2 bedrooms right off the front and a bathroom in between it. And you step right in. You have your open concept, your dining area. Family room. Huge kitchen area. Look at the island. Look how big that is. You see how big it is? It's like huge. It's right off the garage. You come in. You can throw your things down. You can add cabinets to it. Laundry. You can also add cabinets to the laundry room if you like. So this is your view from the garage door into this beautiful home. And look at what you see when you're inside the kitchen. Look how beautiful that is. Keep in mind this is a 2-story home. So let's say you have guests and you don't want them to go upstairs. You can always use this as a guest quarter. And then it have its own bathroom. You can use this as a pool bathroom. You can see overlooks your lanai on the outside. Welcome to the 2nd story of this beautiful 2-story home here in Clermont, Florida. Look how big these rooms are. And just think, this is not even the master bedroom. But yet it's so big. Bathroom, both sides bathroom. As you walk up the stairs, look how huge that gate home is. These homes in this neighborhood are starting off in the high 300s. You can tuck everyone away up into that. I would call it a theater. Entertainment area. Great. Both bedrooms are very large. You see? Great size. So that concludes your 2nd story. Thank you for watching.